everybody, and welcome to the channel. Well, the last of the body parts that we were looking for finally came in, and these are the front cab support mounts for the second gen Ram mud truck to show truck SEMA build that we are highlighting here on the channel. But today I'm out here at Jeff's Auto Body and Customs putting the final coat on these cab mounts so we could get them mounted on the cab. We are getting ready to get into the body work of the cab, so then we're going to put the cab back onto the frame. But let me take you guys up and show you the frame on what it looks like now, give you guys all a little update on that and where we're at with the body work, and show you actually how much work is going to be going into this cab to get it back to a show condition truck. But if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on this build, and keep watching the video because we may be highlighting something else on the channel. But watch this video and we are going to announce it inside the video as far as what else is going to be coming up onto the channel. So I'll meet you up into the second shop and we'll go over the frame and the cab after I put a coat of POR 15 on these. Well, we got the first coat on the back side of the front cab supports of our second gen Ram. And now I'm up here in the second shop, and let me turn you guys around and show you what the frame looks like and how far we got and what else we got to do to it. And then I'm going to take you over and show you the cab work and the body work that needs to be done. But right here is the frame of the second gen Ram mud truck to show truck SEMA build that we're doing. And as you can see, we re-gasket the whole engine. And we have plans for possibly a new power plant and transmission. But this is what we're looking at right now. And as you can see, we have a lot of the hose braid. All the hoses are braided up and done. And if you follow the channel, you know why I put the yellow tips on the fan blade like this. So check back in the channel and watch that video. And then these are the emission lines, which goes up to the inside of the front fender, and it goes back to here. We got the gas tank is Line-X'd, and we got that done out at Line-X of Williamsport. So I'd like to thank Matt and Jeremy and the crew out there for helping us get that done. And then we just got to finish up tying the emission lines here in the back, and this part will be done. And then we have the emergency brakes in the rear that have to be finished. Outside of that, we have a full complete rolling chassis for the build. I'll take you guys around this side and show you that. And what we have here on this truck is a 5-inch Skyjacker lift kit is what we ended up going with. And then we, like I said, we re-gasket the whole engine. We cleaned it all up. This is still stock, but we are going to make plans for something different in here. So you guys are going to have to hit that subscribe button and follow us to see what the plans is for the power plant we put in. So all we really did was put the shorty headers on it. Take you guys around, show you underneath here. And this is all a custom color that we went with. And I'd like to thank Matthews Auto Supply here in Wilkes-Barre, PA, Mary Jo and the crew down there for helping us pick out some of the colors. They're very helpful and very knowledgeable in this. But now let me turn you around and show you the amount of work that we have to put into the cab. So here's the cab that we got. Well, it is the original cab. That is about the only original body panel outside of the floor and the inside fenders of the box. So going around here, here is the part, the cab supports that took so long to come in. We had a hard time finding them. This is why we need to replace this, because this was all rotted out under here and coming around. So we were replacing this one, and also we were replacing the left side as well. But when we started tearing into this, there was a lot of rot coming down. The inside rockers and the outer rockers were pretty much well all shot, and it all led up into the cab mounts. Oops, excuse me, and along with the cab corners. We had to cut all this out right here, and we're putting an all new sheet metal underneath here. And just to let you know, we are also putting new door skins on here because the bottoms of the doors were also rotted. And we have the new door skins over here, along with the new fenders and the inside fenders, which we've already gotten them together and somewhat primed up before we take them over to the spray booth and give them the sealer and stuff like that. He already did all that, Jeff did. So it was pretty much well rotten all down through here. And then there's some spots back here. So we replaced, well, we didn't, we're going to be replacing the inners and the outers on these, and along with the cab corner. So the whole structure along the bottom is going to be all new. So the cab, and like I said before, is pretty much only the original parts of the sheet metal on this truck. And also along with the radiator support. So let me take you around and show you the work that needs to be done on the other side, which we'll be probably tearing into this week. So like I said, hit that subscribe button, follow the channel on all this. Then once again over here, this cab mount wasn't as bad as the other one, but as you can see, there's holes. And as you know, I used to take this off-roading. We're probably going to be cutting all of this off here. We're just trying to do a pre-fit as far as what needs to be done. And then along back here, and here's like the cab corner that we got going on here. And then the back of the cab was structurally sound, all up underside here. As you can see here, we're going to clean all this up over here, and we are going to peel the whole underside of this. And here's some body parts to a Tony Stewart Monte Carlo limited edition car, which Jeff will also be doing here at the shop, along with, I believe it's a 72 Nova. So that's what I had to announce, that we're probably going to be highlighting those two cars also on the channel. But this is pretty much what we got going on and where the body stands right now. Before we start tearing into this, that will be this week, we're going to be starting to tear into some of the body work and start getting a little bit more supplies together so we could tear into this. Well, like I said before, if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Ring that notification bell so you guys can stay posted on the progress of this build. Well, I got a few things here to do. I'm going to wrap this up for today. Well, till next time, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll it. Wicked Fabz!